Okay.
You have reached a pronoun checkpoint.
Not interested. What's up, homie? I'm Tony. If you want to start a business on a budget, make sure you go to the Source Factory.
Many people ask me, how do you use they, them
Not interested.
pronouns for a singular person?
Anyways, if you want to order signs for your franchise stores, make sure you buy from a responsible sign company.
When I got my cake pops removed, I specifically asked my surgeon to leave the bag.
Anyways, here's how to tell if your sign's cheap.
Okay, I'm about to show some boy pictures. Be normal.
What? What the fuck was that? What was that?
What's up, homie? Hope you never change. Come check out our perfect marquee letter.
I want to talk to the kids.
Nope. Anyways, if you want to order signs for your...
Hey, the kids don't want to see you, please. The kids don't want to see you. Anyways.
franchise stores, make sure you buy from a responsible sign company.